Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chong Yuan from 2L.
I'm Fengxian from 2A.
I'm Fengxian from 2H.
Today we will be showing you how an electric iron works. Have you ever wondered how an iron actually straightens your uniform? Today we will be explaining the scientific theory behind how an iron works.
The electric iron works by loosening ties between long chains of polymer molecules which exist in polymer fiber materials. High heat, which is about 100 degrees Celsius, together with the weight of the ironing plate, stretches the fabric when it is hot. The fabric will maintain its new shape when it cools.
Materials such as cotton require the use of water to loosen the intermolecular bonds. The sole plate of the iron, which is the surface that comes in contact with the fabric, is usually made of aluminium or stainless steel.
The heating element is controlled by a thermostat which switches electric currents on and off and thus maintaining the iron at a certain temperature. Now the important concept lies in the bimetallic strip of the thermostat. The bottom layer of the bimetallic strip expands less, while the top layer of the bimetallic strip expands more to the same amount of heat.
This will result in the bimetallic strip curving inwards. When the iron is turned on, high heat warps the lower layer of the strip. This will cause the circuit to open and stop the current. When the bimetallic strip cools, the strip will flatten, close the circuit, and the current flows again.
This cycle will repeat when the iron is turned on until the iron is switched off. This concept allows us to control the temperature of the iron. And now we will be introducing to you an interesting way of ironing clothes with starch.
It is not solely an alternative but better alternative to some. It makes use of a simple substance called starch. Starch allows a fresh, crisp appearance of the clothing when used in ironing, especially useful for uniform groups that require neat and straight uniform.
For heavy cotton materials, starch is a great way to hold in for the iron for a long period of time, either for the day. However, the use of starch in ironing will result in discomfort due to the strengthening of the polymer molecule that result in stiffness of the clothing overall.
Therefore, it lies down to a choice between appearance and comfort. This is a very general overview of how an iron works and how the traditional method of using starch for ironing works. Surprise your parents and grandparents when you display your knowledge of ironing using starch.
An iron might look simple, but there are many different parts to allow it to function effectively as a whole. We hope that you have gained an understanding of how an iron works and how starch is in ironing after our presentation. Thank you.